Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the TUSA Sport Powerview Combo Set. So this is a mask and snorkel set. This is great to sort of hit the ground running as your first snorkeling set, but you can use this for scuba diving as well if you want to progress onto scuba. So the mask itself has twin modified teardrop lenses. So you have these really big teardrops down at the bottom. These really improve your field of vision, especially if you're scuba diving. You can read your gauges, but for snorkeling as well, you can see the entire reef sort of unobstructed. So the frame itself turns into buckles either side, and this is what attaches the mask strap. You have a traditional one-way ratchet strap, so pull it to tighten the strap, and then lift up on this little tab to loosen it off. High quality silicone is going to be really sort of grippy. That's going to hold onto the back of your head and stop it from slipping and moving around. The same silicone is used in their mask skirt. So the skirt itself is very soft and pliable where it needs to be, but it's rigid where it needs to be as well. So it's rigid so it keeps the shape of the mask, so the mask isn't going to sort of flop around, but you need a soft sealing edge all the way around your face so it molds to different face shapes. On the inside, we have a second sealing skirt. So instead of just a single point of contact sealing around your face, you have a very wide sealing area all the way around your face, trapping the air inside and stopping the water from getting in. Moving on to the snorkel. So the snorkel itself has a pretty comprehensive wave deflector at the top. So this means that if any water or waves kind of splash over it, it's going to deflect it out and away from the opening so that as little water gets in as possible. Moving down from that, we have a rigid sort of tube on that. So that keeps that airway open so that cannot close for a nice smooth airflow all the way through down to the mouthpiece. A very simple and removable snorkel clip that just kind of hooks over the top of your mask strap on your left-hand side, but you can remove that if you don't like mask clips. Moving down from that, you have this translucent section. This is semi-rigid. It's got a little bit of sort of give to it, but it's not completely flexible. So it's going to hold that snorkel in a nice position right in front of your mouth, so it's not going to be falling away and give you any kind of jaw fatigue. Moving down from that, the mouthpiece, you can see below the mouthpiece we have a little bit of a water trap. So if any water does make its way into the snorkel, it's going to fall away from your mouthpiece so you can still breathe past it and get that airflow through. And every time that you exhale, a one-way purge valve is going to push any water trapped in there out of the snorkel. So the next time that you breathe in, you get full fresh air. The mouthpiece on this is that same high-grade silicone, so it's soft and pliable, and you can actually remove and replace that at a later date if you want to. So all in all, this is a great mask and snorkel set. It's great if you're starting off on snorkeling or if you're thinking about moving into scuba diving as well. This will be a fantastic first mask for you. This is the TUSA Powerview Combo. Thanks for watching and safe diving.